It's David. Just wanted to comment a bit on a new element in this course that you may or may not have had in your prior courses, and just show you around the navigation of the new Blackboard Ultra a little bit, okay? I mentioned this in the video that I sent out as part of the welcome, but here under course information, you'll have all the information that you need to look at as it relates to course description, objectives, the textbook materials. Down here under welcome and meet your instructor, you'll see me. You'll have a video down there of me welcoming you to the course as well. And then the syllabus is here. Don't worry about the course map. The course map is just used for accreditation purposes. But the rest of the information here is included under course information. Now let's go to week 1, and you'll see the setup. You'll have the week description that will be there that will talk about the overall priorities for week 1 as well as the objectives in week 1. And then also in week 1, you'll see the read and study component. You'll notice in this I have textbook readings. There are chapter lectures that are provided by the textbook publisher. And then each week there will typically be 1 or 2 videos that I have in here. Some of these will be TED Talks. Some of them will be me. Others will be further explanations on some of the terms that are used in critical thinking and logic. Those are very, very helpful. So I would encourage you to make sure that you watch those as well and that you read and look at the lectures. And then under due this week, the first week, you have the typical introduction discussion. Remember, your initial post on these discussions need to be in video format. The responses will be typewritten back in text like you normally do those in discussions. So every discussion forum that you see, you have to have your initial post as video. And please refer to that video I had in the welcome on how to do that if you're not sure on how to do that. There will not be any paper writing in this course. Can I get a hallelujah? Instead, there'll be short answers. Now, I want to make sure that you understand short does not mean brief. It means detailed, so write enough to clearly articulate to me the concept so that I can see that you fully understand the concept, okay? And then finally, I will use journals, whereas the discussions that you have in the course are conversations between you and your fellow classmates. The journal will be a discussion between you and me. So I will pose a question to you, and you will respond to that question by Thursday each week, and then I will respond to your response, okay? And then you need to, hang with me here, respond to my response. So here's the way this goes. By Thursday, you need to have your initial journal post. I will respond immediately, typically whenever, the day of or the day after that you respond, and then you need to respond to my response. And the reason you have to do that is I want to clearly see that you're looking at and considering what I'm talking about and how I'm responding to your comments. Students have told me they like this in the other classes that I've taught, and part of the reason is it's almost like you and I meeting in an office somewhere and we're having a conversation on some of the critical issues that we're talking about in the class, all right? Hopefully this helps provide a little bit more explanation to you as on how the course is going to flow. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out. Take care.